Hi, and welcome to Employee Payroll Management System developed using MySQL database in Visual Basic.net. This is just an overview, and I'm just going to explain how the whole process works. Here we have about 9 buttons. We can print. Let's start with that. Click on print, and there we get the print dialog box appears, printing the data that we have in there. And there we go. The choice is yours if you want to print or not. Just hit the print button if you want to see the data in there and see the similarity. There we go. There, the same employee ID number. Exit out. We can update all the necessary information we have in here. Let's take a good example. Look at the date. The date is 21st. And if we come down here, let's see the date. The date of Casey Jonathan, that's 21st. Okay, let's take care of that. So I'm going to change that to today's date. I think today is 27th of June. So we have just changed that. So I'm going to go to update. There we go. Update is in progress. Click on OK, and there we go. You see the details of Casey is now 27. So the update is working, and we can also print the payslip. Okay, let's assume we want to print someone else's payslip. Mary Holloway. Okay, let's go in there. Mary Holloway. Print the payslip for Mary Holloway. That is it right there. So you can print that out. Or the choice is yours. If you want, you can always save. Let's say we want to save Mary Holloway's details. So let's just enter Mary right there. Mary's payslip. There. And let's save it straight onto my desktop. There we go. We've just saved Mary's details straight onto my desktop. And I'm going to go straight to my desktop and open up Mary's details now. So let's go straight to my desktop. Click on that and look for Mary. There we go. Double click on that. And let's wait for that to open up. And let's click on the Word document to see Mary Holloway's detail. There we go. Just click on OK. And that is now coming up. There we go, guys. That's Mary Holloway's details that is saved in Word document right there. So let's exit out. There. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys straight into Visual Basic Development environment, and we put one of these together. And welcome back, guys. So let's click on Create New Project, and right here I'm going to select Visual Basic. Let's click on Next. Let's give our project a name. I'm just going to call that VB underscore employee underscore payroll. There we go. Click on Create. And right there, that's my development environment is ready. So I'm going to go straight to the properties here. And let's change this to 1386 by 788. There we go. Now before I go any further, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight to the toolbox here. You see the tools? Click on the tools, the menu tools, and let's select NuGet Package Manager. Select Package Manager NuGet. Click on that. And right here, let's select the browser, and inside the browser let's type in MySQL. That's it. That's MySQL connector or plugin that we need. Just click on that, and there this pops up. Let's check that. Once you check the name of your project, click on install. Now the package is now installing into or onto your own application. Now you have to accept this. Click on OK. And here you must accept the license agreement. There. Okay, package is successfully installed, so we can just close this. We don't need that anymore. There we go, it's gone. Close this as well. There. So what I want to do now is go straight to the toolbox. Minimize that. Go straight to the toolbox right here. Right inside the toolbox, I need a plane. Double click on that plane. There's a plane right there. I'm going to select it. Let's go straight to the properties and change the border style to fixed 3D. There we go. We're going to need a couple of those. So one here. Collapse this. Just bring it all the way here. Take it down a little bit. Now I also need another copy of this. Hold on to your control, click and drag. And one more. Let's move this down a little bit. One more of that, click, drag. Okay, this will be for my buttons. There we go. Click on this very one, drag and drop. Okay, I'm going to need one more inside. Let me just copy, hold on to the control, click, drag, drop it in there. And I'm going to reduce the size about that much. Bring this right here and just drag it down. Click, just drag it right down here. Somewhere about that. Okay, so let's click on this and just copy again. Just reduce that about that, and let's copy that very same one again. Copy, paste it right here. Alright, and bring it right down. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Click, drag again, and copy this very one again. There. Now we need one underneath here. Bring this here. Maybe move this up a little bit. Right there. Okay, that's fine. Click and drag. Put one here as well. Right. So what we then need to do now is to add some components on board. Now the first component, let me grab a data grid view there. Data grid view, there we go. And just drag all the way. And one more here. Okay, we need some buttons. Let's grab some buttons. Add those ones here. I need 9 of those. One button, 2, 3. I need 9. 1. And 2. That's it, 9. Okay, we now need some text box and labels. Grab those. Let's come right down here. Grab a label. That's a text box there, and we need a label now. Label. Bring that here. Let's change the font size of both components, and we'll take it from there. We'll make it about 14, or maybe let's make it bold 16 for now. We can always change that. So we just click, copy and drag. 4. This one will be for my address. We need one here. We need one here. Drag that much. Yeah, we're getting somewhere now. Bring this down a little bit. Alright, so 1 here, we need 3, about 3 here. And there we go. And in here we need this here. We need one button here. Grab just one button, click, drag, and take it out. Delete this very one. Okay, we're getting somewhere, guys. We are almost there. Now I need date time picker. Date time picker. Put that Alright, we will have to move this out of here. Just reduce this. Move this down. And my date time picker will be right here. Yeah. Okay. Let's copy these ones. Click drag there. And take this up. There we go. Bring it over here and one more here. And we need just one more each for them, and that'll be all. Click drag, drop, bring it down. Okay, the interface is ready. All that we then need here is a rich text box. Let's come right down here and grab a rich text box. There we go. Drag. So if I run it now, this is how the design is going to look like. All I just need to do is to smoothen things up and give them a name. That's going to take some time, so I might as well just get that done and get back to you guys. Okay, right there, that's how the interface looks now. I had to actually show how everything works because this tutorial is meant for beginners and up to advanced learner. So if you're an advanced learner, you can always jump and go and start all the way from after 12 minutes of the tutorial. So I'm just going to close this, and I will now name every single component. Okay, I've finished with the development of the whole interface, and I've named every single component there. That is how it's looking now. So let's start work with the coding, but before that, let's come into the toolbox here. I'm going to need the print document. There we go, and the print preview there. Okay, we have those ones in. Now let's make sure the print preview is selected. Come straight to the properties here. Okay, and now I'm going to change. You see where we have document, I'm going to change it to print preview. There we go. That's taken care of. Now let's go to the button for the print. Double click on that print button, and all we want to do now is to call the print preview. Print preview. There we go. Dot show dialog box there. Alright, let's go back out here. And the next thing is, you see right here where we have the print document object, double click on that, and I'm going to start by using try catch try. There we go. And what statement do I want to enter in there? I can just enter message box right in there. So let's say in here, that's for my e.graphic. Inside the e.graphic dot draw string. Let's just type that out. There we go. And the string that we want to draw is going to be my RT payslip dot text. Now the next thing is, let's add a font, new font, and this new font, I'm just going to make that area. I don't think that's correct. Yeah, area, and there let's say comma. I'm going to make that about 12 comma, and let's make it bold. There we go. Alright, then after that, what we want to do is let's say the font style, the type of font should be here really. So let's get rid of that and say font style dot bold. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, the next thing is, I'm going to specify the type of brush I intend to use. So I'm going to say brushes, dot black. And let's set the coordinates where the print preview will appear. No, let's make it 100 by 100. 100 comma by 100. There we go. And that's my print preview there. And if there's any error, I can just say message box dot show. There we go. And what are you showing? We're showing that will be ex dot message. There. I'll just display a message telling us there's something going wrong. Okay. Right. Now the other thing is that is done actually. Print is taken care of. Okay, so let's take care of exits, or maybe save. Let's take care of exit. Double click on exit, and right there I'm going to copy all of this. Let's bang it right in here, paste, and in here let's just say dim I exit as dialog result. And inside the dialog result, we want the following statement to appear. So we can say I exit equals message box dot show, confirm if you want to exit. Okay, now that's one argument. Let's add another argument. The second argument will just be, let's say employee system. There we go. Now add another argument. The other argument is going to be message box buttons dot yes or no, comma, let me add another argument that's going to be message box icon. This icon is going to be dot question mark. There we go. Now let's use an if statement. We have a question. Oops, wrong spelling. Alright, that's the first argument. The second argument, okay, that's fine. Now let's use an if statement. If I exit equals dialog result dot yes, then we can just say application dot exit. So that takes care of our exit there. Okay, notice I have some statement in here, dialog result and so on. We can put the same thing here if you want. Copy and just paste that in here, but in the case of this, let's change this to information dot information. And this yes or no, I'm going to change this behavior to okay. So I can even copy all of this, copy and just paste it here for my print as well, just to show us icon. Now let's do one more before we run it. Okay, we'll run it too. Okay, that's exit and exit print. Then let's do let's take care of this. Come right down here. I'm going to copy this again. Let's paste it. Come in here. Now copy this one. Come right down here and just type in try. There we go. Paste all of this in there. And what I want to do is txt ref dot text equals exit. Then the next one, txt first name, copy there, txt surname there, txt address there, and so on. Let me speed that up. That's for reset. Okay, right underneath here, I then enter random number. That's to be generated by the reference. Okay, but up here you see where we have txt order payment. I'm going to change that to 0.0, and this random number, I'm going to copy that again. Let's come in here. This is the order payment, so I just want the system to refresh it. And form load, double click on that. Form load will automatically generate a reference number for me. Okay, now let's take care of, we have 1, 2 done, and we've done this. Let's take care of save. Double click on save. So with the save, I'm going to come right down here and just declare, let me call that iSave as new. That will be save file dialog. Okay, I've just created these objects, but the choice is yours. You can always come in here. The object is right here if you want. Let's come right down here. That is it. Okay, instead of you creating it yourself, that is it. You can just double click on it, but I just decided to create it right in here. That's fine. It's the same thing anyway. So in here, I'm going to say iSave dot filter, and what I want you to filter, I'm just going to let it filter two file extension. The first one, let's say txt files. That's going to be just for text. Space, let's have a bracket there and say dot txt. So that would come out. If you select that, that would come out in form of notepad here. And I'm going to put a pipe here and say star dot txt. So that will take care of that. Let's put another pipe in here, and this other pipe is just going to be, I can copy all of this. That will be for my document file, doc file. So I can change this to doc file. Star is going to be doc file as well. Doc, and out here I'm just going to put star dot document. That is that. So right underneath here, I'm going to say iSave dot filter index, and that index is going to be 2. Now iSave dot restore directory equals false. Now let's say if iSave dot show dialog equals dialog result dot okay, then what we want the system to do is io dot file dot write all text. Okay, whatever text we have there, we'll write it right in iSave dot file name, comma, where you will get this file from is inside rt payslip dot text there, and this one is meant to be okay, and that takes care of the save. Okay, the save is taken care of. Now let's see which easy one can I take care of again. Taking care of save. Let's see. Okay, let's run it. Then and you guys see how that works. We have these. Okay, let's just run it. There guys, that's how it's looking now. If I click on exit, that is working. And let's assume we have any data in here. I have male or female in here. Okay, click on reset. We can enter something, we cannot enter anything here. Yeah. And let's come right here. Before I try this out, let's click on print to make sure that it's working. Let's see. There we go, the print is working. There. So close that. That's fine. And let's see the save. Click on save. That is fine. Save is working as well. So you have an option of selecting either maybe in text format. We can just call that try save, and save it on the desktop. Okay, there we go, it's saved. And let me just open up the desktop so that you guys see how that looks like. Click on that, and there we go, double click. That's coming. There we go, guys, and that's my desktop. That's from my what I've just saved. I'm gonna close that. So let's try out reset. There, the reset is working. As you can see, the reference number has changed. So let's reset again. Look at that. Okay, that's fine. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of the first part of this tutorial. I'll see you guys shortly.